I have fallen further than I had before. But now I'm crawling, and I don't have the strength to get up off that floor. I'm giving into it, I'm living in it, embracing all of it. Can't run from it, I can't numb it, I won't let it be. I'm still learning and growing. I am not who I was before. I'm done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my mistakes, bruised and torn on my broken hearts, falling like thinking like oh, to take me where I'm meant to be. So I thank my lucky stars. I thank my lucky stars. If I feel it, if I feel the pain, then I'm still alive. And if I'm living, wanna give it all, not simply survive. I'm leaning into it, I'm breathing in, inhaling all that hurt. Walking away, it'd all be in vain, and that would hurt much worse. I am not who I was before. I am done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my masterpiece, bruised and torn on my broken hearts, falling like they collide, all to take me where I'm meant to be. So I thank my lucky stars. I thank my lucky stars. Oh, I don't know if I'm going, but I'm still learning and growing. I fall down so much, like head and shoulder. I'm much better off knowing I'm not who I was before. I'm done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my masterpiece, bruised and torn on my broken parts, falling like they collide, all to take me where I'm meant to be. So I thank my lucky stars. I thank my lucky stars. I thank my lucky stars. I have fallen further than I had before. Now I'm crawling, and I don't have the strength to get up off that floor. I'm giving into it, I'm living in it, embracing all the pain. Can't run from it, I can't numb it, I won't let it escape. I'm still learning and growing. I am not who I was before. I'm done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my they collide, all to take me where I'm meant to be. So I thank my lucky stars. I thank my lucky stars. If I feel it, if I feel the pain, then I am still alive. And if I'm living, I'ma give it all my simply survive. I'm leaning into it, I'm breathing in it, inhaling all that hurt. 'Cause walking away, it'd all be in vain, and that would hurt